So hello everyone, today you can see it's a pleasant weather and it is 6 o'clock and I am recording this video, and I'm just going towards the place where I speak English language every single day to improve my English language, to make myself fluent, right? So here, you know, at this time no one is here, because it's early time and no one wants to come in a very beginning time, in a morning time, like it's called downtime. In downtime no one wants to come, so that's why no one is here, and it is morning time, and I'm just recording my video. So if you really want to learn English language, just start from the morning, because if you are not interested in English language, still you can speak English language in a morning time, still you can learn English language in a morning time, because this time is, very uh, active. It is a very active time when we get up in a morning time. So we are just active more than usual. We are active in morning time, right? So that is why I'm saying that just start speaking English language, just start learning English language in a morning time, from a morning, so that you also could learn English language, you also could speak English language, so that you also could, you know make yourself fluent, right? So have a look here, it's my village, and on the same road, before 1 year ago, I used to come here in a morning time, and I used to speak English language, like broken English language. I used to come here every single morning. I used to come, and I used to speak broken English, and from here I started learning my English language. If any sentence I didn't know, so I used to translate it in my phone, and I used to repeat it again, and a lot of efforts I had to do, I mean, at those days. And currently now I am able to speak some of the things in English language, uh, like in front of you I'm speaking here, and so today I'm just, able to speak some of the things in English language. Yeah, I'm making mistakes, I make mistake a lot of time, I stuck as well, and I am working upon myself, I'm working on my English language as well. But as I think I should focus on other studies as well, because English is important, but not as much as every subject. Those subjects are also very, I would say, important to know, right? So I think I should also, I mean, learn a lot of things as well, uh, instead of English language. So the purpose of making this video is to make you aware about the morning time. We are more active than whole day, so that is why I'm saying that it is the right time to speak English language, it is the right time to, make ourselves fluent, it's the right time to learn English language. See my friend, you know what happens, so many people think like English is very complicated language. Sometimes the word is something else, but it is pronounced something else, something in a different way. So because of this thing, many people, they don't want to learn English language. They think like, what type of, this language is. And you know what, when I wanted to learn English language, so at those days I also used to think like, if no one wants to learn English language, so why should I learn English language? I used to think a lot about it. But my inner strength, my inner, I would say voice, it's a, I would say, my soul used to say that you should learn English language, it is very beneficial, and you can learn as well. I was very interested in it, and I started, learning English language. I used to come here every single morning, and I used to speak broken English. Those days I didn't have so much knowledge about English language. I used to learn very few things, and then I used to speak as well. And after some time, I started learning a lot of things in English language on YouTube. Yeah, with the help of social media I learned so many things, but still I think I should work upon myself. I should work upon my English language as well, because there are a lot of things are still rest of to learn in English language as well as in other subjects as well, right? This video I'm making only for making myself confident, because sometimes when I record my video and then after some time I take a long pause, I take a long break, I don't record any other video, then I feel low confident and I feel like I'm unable to record another video. And that is why now I'm recording this video, so that I could feel like, yeah, I am able to record and I am confident person, right? So that is why I'm recording this video. Every single day I think I should record, every single day I should record one video, so that I could feel confident, so that I could see myself, yeah, I am able to speak. You know what, whenever I speak English language and if I speak about any topic, then I stuck a lot. And when I stuck a lot, then I think I'm forgetting English language. I don't know of I don't know how to speak, and I feel very demotivated. And I think I should work more on this language. I should work hard, I think, on this language, so that I could get fluency in English language. So my friend, I think you also learning a lot of things in English language, and you may be facing problems in your life as well. Some types of problems like yeah, pronunciation is a massive problem as well. Like so many people cannot twist their tongue, okay? And many of you may have any other problem, like when we use s and when we use sh, sh and sa and z and j, the difference between these words. So because of this thing, now we feel like, yeah, our English is not as much good as it should be, right? Because these in Urdu it is called talaffuz, but in Hindi I don't know what is the name of this. I think I should know about it. So these things are also important to have, right? To know, we should have these things, so that our English could be attractive. If someone listens our English language, so he could feel something like yeah, he is speaking English language. Some people speak English language just like Hindi language. People do not focus, and people do not want to listen the person who speaks in this way. So there are a lot of things are in English language to improve. If the person is speaking English language, if he wants to learn English language, so he will have to work hard, and he needs to practice a lot on these things, like these pronunciations and this vocabulary, and there are a lot of things in English language, my goodness. So this is what I wanted to say to you. Okay, so thank you for watching.